Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Brown color, red color, dark green color, light blue color, orange color, dark blue color, purple color, yellow color, light green color, black color. Now let's learn some numbers. 1 O-N-E 1 2 T-W-O 2 3 T-H-R-E-E 3 4 F-O-U-R 4 5 F-I-V-E 5 6 S-I-X 6 7 S-E-V-E-N 7 8 E-I-G-H-T 8 9 N-I-N-E 9 1 0 10 T-E-N 10. Bye bye kids, see you in next video.